ensuring the paths to our package, and then initiating SLE command. Now opening a 4 machine 10 bus system, which we have already seen how to append. To verify the correctness of the model, we'll first set the data matrix display. Note, we are applying a 3-phase fault at bus 9 without line tripping. Now we are searching for a no error message. So we'll create the data files. A folder of data files is generated there. So selecting that data folder and performing load flow analysis. Again selecting the folder, but now performing the trace mode, that is the eigenvalue analysis. So as soon as we click next button, it displays various eigenvalues with corresponding damping factors and frequency in Hertz. We have selected a mode, so it comes out as a swing mode. Also it remarks the generator groupings for given swing mode. So it remarks generator 1 and 2 forms a group, and generator 3 and generator 4 forms other group, which swings against each other. So this is clearly depicted in this compass plot of right eigenvectors of slip mode. So 1 and 2 together and 3 and 4 swinging together. So with Visualize tab hit, we can see the generator groupings gets highlighted in the single line editor. It comes handy with the large machine system. Now let's observe the results in form of graphical trajectories. For that, we'll have to perform the transient stability analysis. Let's choose the time span of 10 seconds. So the result files have been created message appears. Now opening our model again and setting the results required. So for generator, let's start with the slip COI. For comparative study, let's switch on the access mode, common access mode, and then hitting the result display tab. The generator 1 is swinging. The slip parameter is listed there. Same appears for the generator 2, which swings together with the generator 1. With the generator 3, it is swinging against the grouping 1, and same goes with the generator 4. The generator 1 and 2 in together, and generator 3 and 4 swinging together, and both groups swinging against each other. So let's again verify with our trace mode. So selecting a mode and then hitting next. So for particular swing mode, it depicts the demarcations of generator 1 and 2 swinging against generator 3 and 4. So in the same context, we can observe other results as well. Let's plot all rotor angles for all generators. And then selecting the common data block. So there we have the swing of the rotor angle of each generator. It again remarks the swinging nature of the generator groupings. And selecting the exciter, that is the excitation control part. It experiences the swing behavior there. So PSS is disabled.